Hello and welcome to We Try D.I.Y. In this video, I will be trying out a D.I.Y. light stand found on Instructables. Link to the original will be in the description below. This was originally intended as a light stand for a workspace, however, I thought it would make a great backlight and speaker stand for our computer area, with a few modifications of course. First things first, gotta cut all the lumber to size. Cue the montage! Next, I'm going to attach the glare guard to the top piece. I'm laying out a spacing of about 6 inches for drilling my pilot holes, making sure to keep them in the center of the glare guard. After the top is complete, it's time to attach the sides. Now that the sides are attached, let's add those angled supports to give the stand some stability. The next step is my main modification to the original, the speaker shelves. I need to drill a pilot, then attach the support. After that, I can attach the speaker shelf to the side. With the speaker shelves added, now I can attach the feet. I'll first lay out the outlines of where the sides will be centered on the feet, then drill pilots and attach to the sides. Now at this point, I'm pretty much done. All I have to do is attach the light fixture and the power bar, and we'd have a functional light and speaker stand for our computer desk. However, I think it looks like it could use some stain. So the next thing to do is sand it to get it ready. After that, it's time to apply the stain. Once the first coat is applied, I need to let it dry. The stain I'm using has a drying time of about 8 hours. So, now we wait for 8 hours. Well, I wait. You get to see the next step in a second. Which, you guessed it, is the second coat. Now that the second coat is dried, all I need to do is attach the light and power bar. I'm using some LED light strip, but you can use any light you want to. And with that done, I now have a good looking and functional backlight and speaker stand. That was a quick and simple project. The instructions are easy to follow and modify to suit your needs. I think it turned out great, and it makes things a lot easier on the eyes in our dark computer corner. That's it for now. If you have any questions, or if you have some suggestions for things you would like to see in future videos, feel free to post them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.